So in example 1, we learned what the inverse of a relation is. Now in example 2, we are going to apply that to a function that's actually written algebraically in function notation. Okay? So maybe the most difficult part of this is making sure that you understand the directions. All right, so let's read through those carefully. The example 2 says, Example 2 says, let f of x equal 2x plus 1. Solve y equals f of x for x. Then find the input when the output is negative 3. So I want to solve this equation that I'm looking at here. I want to solve it for x. Okay? So I want to solve this function for x. Now, if we look at this right now, this function is written without a y. It has an f of x instead. Okay, well, when we take this function, we're going to write it as y equals 2x plus 1. So we're going to change it from function notation. You notice they're telling us y and f of x are the same thing. Okay, they're equal. So I want to solve this for x. So that means I have to get x by itself. Well, to get x by itself, I need to get rid of this 1. Since they're adding the 1, I'm going to subtract 1. Notice it. Adding and subtracting are inverse operations. So y minus 1 is equal to 2x. So these 1's will cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I still need to get x by itself. I still need to get rid of the 2. Well, since they're multiplying x by 2, I'm going to divide by 2. So we have now x is equal to the y value minus 1 divided by 2. So I've solved y equals f of x for x. There's the first thing they asked me to do, solve for x. Now the second part is find the input when the output is negative 3. Well, input is code for the x value. We know the x value is the input of a function. The y value is the output. So find the input, so in other words, find the x value when the output, the y value, is negative 3. So I'm going to take this equation now. I know the y value is negative 3. So I'm going to plug that in place of y and help me to find x. So negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So the input, or the x value, is negative 2. And we're done with example 2.